Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. This is how you make yummy noodles. So first you boil the water. Oh yeah, you want 500 mils of water. Oh no, I ran out of yummy noodles. That sucks. I'll get the yuckies. So now I must open this packet. Look. Hold on. Look. Now I pour in the thingy, the water. I think I put a little too much. Now you wait for it to soak in the water and get it juicy. Alright guys, and while you wait for the noodles to get all juiced up, you can crack 2 eggs inside this thingy and microwave it for about 1 minute, and then it will cook, and it's just an omelette. So microwave it for 1 minute and you're good to go. Okay, now after this has been cooked, the noodles probably have been soaked up. So dump the water. Okay, now there is no more water. You can put the sauce in. Okay, after the sauce is in, you mix. Mix like how I'm mixing. Now dump the egg in. And that's how you make noodles. And now I put an egg inside because I like egg. And I'm a Japanese person. And now it's for the taste test. Mmm. 这个好咸啊嘛。咸死了。